How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn on the multi-guest request on TikTok Live. So without any delay, let's start the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can do it. So first of all, launch your TikTok application, and if you meet the requirements of going TikTok Live and you want to know how you can invite multi-guest on your TikTok Live, these are the processes you may follow in order to do so. After launching your TikTok app, just head on the plus icon at the bottom. At your home page, you'll be finding that plus icon very easily. Just tap on it. And when you tap on it, on the bottom, you'll be finding camera templates live option. Just swipe to the live section and simply tap on go live. After tapping on go live, you'll be going to your live. And on your live, you'll be finding a bunch of options at the bottom again, like host, guest, interact, share option. You're just gonna click on the option called guest. After clicking on the option called guest, you'll be finding go live together and with all your guests here. So you're just gonna select the option called settings at the top of this go live together. After tapping on it, you'll be finding layout, grid, and a bunch of other options. Just make it up to panel. Just make the layout to panel. And you can see this option called allow requests from viewers. Just make sure to enable this option. What that does is you will be able to invite other people onto your TikTok Live. So therefore, this is the process on how you can turn on the multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Just accept their request after they send it, and that's how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.